Piggybacking off our last video regarding trader personalities, you're either an aggressive trader, a confirmation trader, or a conservative trader. I'm going to show you a trade that a conservative trader would take once he has identified the structure, the algorithms, and he has several confirmations to have a really good idea that prices are going to head up. We've already established that we have a cup that has closed that is now a bullish structure. You can see the liquidity that is being built in the pink algorithm. This is bullish liquidity. It breaks the first pink and then it starts making a microstructure in another pink algorithm. I'm going to show the replay now and show you a very conservative entry that a trader can take. I'm going to start it up. So you already know we have confirmation that we're in a bullish structure. We see the bullish liquidity. Now we're watching price in this microstructure in between this tight range of this pink algorithm. We're looking for an entry. When you are looking for your entry, you want to find a precision algorithm that takes off. You look at the speed of the candle and the trajectory. There you see that trajectory of that first candle. That is your trigger to take your long entry. And within 3 minutes, it reaches that point. A 1-point trade in 3 minutes, that's enough for a 4-figure trade. This is a very conservative entry. If you're a conservative trader, this is what you look out for. We waited. We saw that there was bullish structure. We waited some more and we saw the liquidity continuing to build, which gave you another confirmation that this is bullish liquidity. Price breached up and started making a microstructure in a tighter pink algorithm. And you looked for your entry once you saw the green candle, the trajectory, and the speed of that candle in a precision buying algorithm. This is a very conservative entry that you'll look out for throughout your trading career.